Jai Hind. Today's topic: what is politics? You, uh, you would have noticed that people have different ideas about what politics is. Politics leaders and person who contest election and hold political office may agree that it is a kind of public service. Some other associate politics with manipulation and intrigue undertaken to the pursue ambition and safety bonds. A few things of politics as what politicians do if they see politicians defeating from parties, making false promises and toll toll claims, manipulating different sections, pursuing personal or group interests rudely, and in worst case, stopping to crime. They link politics with scam. So prevalent is this way of thinking that when we see people in different walks of life trying to promote their interests by many means possible, we say they are playing politics. If we see a cricketer manipulating to stay in the team, or a flow student trying to use his father's position, or a colleague in office mindsetly agreeing with the boss, we say he or she is playing dirty politics. Disillusion by such a pursuit of selfishness, we despair of politics. We say, I am not interested in politics, or I am going to stay away from politics. It is not only ordinary people who despair of politics. Even businessmen and entrepreneurs routinely blame politics for their woes, even as they benefit from and fund various political parties. Cinema stars also complain of politics, though they seem to be adept at the game once they join it. We are thus uh, confronted with conflicting images of politics. It's is politics in und- undesirable activity that we should stay away from and get rid of, or it is a worthwhile activity which we must engage with in order to make a better world. It is unfortunate that politics has come to be associated with the pursuit of self-interest by an any every method. We need to realize that politics is an important and integral part of any society. Mahatma Gandhi once observed the politics envelop us like the coils of a snake, and there is no other way out but to wrestle with it. No society can exist without come from of political organization and collective decision making. A society that wants to sustain itself need to take into account the multiple needs and interests of its member. A member of social institutions such as the family, tribes, and economic institutions have emerged to help people fulfill their needs and aspirations. Such institutes help us find way of living together, acknowledging our obligation to each other. Among such institutions, governments play an important role.